everyone, and welcome to Workout with Mia. From personal experience, I know that starting a fitness journey can be hard, and for many reasons. One being that you have no idea where to start. Should I do cardio? Should I do weights? Should I do weights before cardio or weights after? When do I do abs? How many days a week should I do abs? And you see so many different opinions from different people, and you don't know which one to follow. So, for you beginners out there, I know it's stressful, but don't worry, I have made a complete workout plan for you beginners out there. As a beginner, you only need to lift 3 days a week. And in order to maximize muscle growth and strength, you need to hit each muscle group at least twice a week. So with that in mind, each lifting day needs to be a full body session, and we're going to be focusing on the compound movements. Here's a quick look at how this plan is structured. Now, let's walk through exactly what to do each day. Day 1, we start with barbell back squats. You're going to do 8 to 10 reps for 3 sets. So find a weight that you can do with proper form that falls in the 8 to 10 rep range. Number 2 is RDLs, also known as Romanian deadlifts. Pick a weight where you can do 10 to 12 reps for 3 sets. And the last major leg movement is the dumbbell alternating lunges. This is 3 sets of 20 reps. Or you can think about it, 10 reps each leg. So that is the main compound movements for lower body. Next, let's move to upper body. And the first upper body move is going to be pull-ups. If you can't do pull-ups on your own yet, do banded pull-ups. And this is 8 to 10 reps for 3 sets. Next is the incline dumbbell bench press. This is 8 to 10 reps for 3 sets. Next is the barbell bent over row. This is 10 to 12 reps for 3 sets. Last but not least for upper body is dumbbell overhead press. And again, 8 to 10 reps for 3 sets. Last but not least, do 3 sets of toe raises till failure. So that is day 1 for strength training, and you can either be done or you can do my daily 5-minute ab workout. Day 2 is active rest or cardio and abs. In active rest, it's just doing a light walk, maybe going on a trampoline, or if you'd rather, you can do cardio and abs on this day. And you can pick any form of cardio. You could go on the trampoline, kayaking, hiking, swimming, play a sport. Cardio can be anything you like, just as long as you're up and moving. Day 3 is the same as day 1, so the full body strength training. Day 4 is again an active rest or cardio and abs. And then again, day 5, the same strength training. And then day 6 is rest or cardio and abs. And then day 7 is rest. Now that you know exactly what exercises to do and in what order, I highly recommend doing a quick YouTube search on how to properly perform each exercise with correct form, if you don't already know how to, because form is the most important part. If this video has helped you, please give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and turn the bell on so you know when I post next. It'll really help me out, and I'll really appreciate it. Comment below video suggestions for next week, and I will see you then. Bye!